Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video. For more information and for more interesting topics, please visit econto.com. Today's topic is top 5 investment partners to avoid. The first one is investment partners with desire to spend on unnecessary things. Everyone wants to have an investment partner to do a business with, and it's really not easy to do a business alone, so it's important to have a partner, but you must avoid this investment partner that has so much desire to spend on unnecessary things like buying expensive coffee machine for the office, things like buying expensive tables or chairs. Instead the company should invest on products and on services, so that it puts value to the products and services, so that the customer can come back again and use your product or use your services, and your customer can recommend to other people. So these are the things that the company should invest. Instead of investing on things that has no value. So as a company director or owner investor, $1 that the company spends should add more than $1 value. So the value has to be greater than $1. It's important that the company spends on really good things, And the second one is investment partners that cares only about profit and ignores value. Just like what I said, is that it's important that the investment partner that cares about value instead of profit. So let's say other day I was talking to my friend and he wants to bring an investor to his website. In the beginnings, when he wanted to bring an investor, like before he started, his investors were asking, because he does not bring an investor just for the money, but he wants to bring an investor to add some contribution for the website as well. But so his investors were saying, how are we going to make money? When are we going to make money? And my friend said that as soon as when he interviews these people and talks like this, he does not accept them. So after about a year and a half, he is still doing the business by himself. That's because all of them cared only about profit, about money, because my friend did not want to spend his time on making money for like a year. He did not care about anything about money. Instead, he wanted to create a website that adds value to the website, and so that the visitors can enjoy coming and visiting his websites and reading all the information. So now, after about a year, he gets over 2 million page views, up to 3 million page views per month, and it's incredibly, his traffic is so high and his visitors, they're loving it, and he start getting new investors like that not investors, more like advertisers actually for his websites now. So these are the good things, invest in value rather than profit. And investment partners that are not honest. I had a friend who partnered with another guy, and but it was too late for him because his partner was working with him for 2 years, made a quick money, and actually, so what happened is that he left recently, and because he just worked there for short term. He wanted to make quick money and then get out of it, and my other friend had no idea about these things. And it's important that you have a partner that keeps secret, and after a year or two he wants to get out of it, and wants to sell the company. It's not good, Maybe you got into the business for long term and your partner got in short term, Another one is investment partners that has high ambition with less patience. Be careful with this one. Actually, this is taught in corporate finance, where the CEO with high ambition gives a negative signal to the investors. And because what happens is that these CEOs, they spend on unnecessary things like the CEOs, what they do is that they have so much ambition and desire to expand the company, and then they do business, they take up a project that has negative NPV, and this one actually kills the value of the company. So that's why the investors, they prefer, or the shareholders, they prefer a CEO with less desires or less ambition to expand the company. So just like your investment partner, he must also not have too much ambition, because he will want to do businesses that are risky. And it's important as a startup that you don't do risky businesses, risky things, you know what I mean? Not just businesses, but risky things. Don't expand too fast, because if you are patient, you can allow yourself to make mistakes, and the mistakes that are not so like that, mistakes that has not so much of a risk, you know what I mean? So it's important to be careful with this one. And then another one is the investment partners that devalues your abilities, ideas, and contribution. I mean, this kind of investment partners, they just keep like saying bad things about you and keep asking you, what have you done? You have done nothing for the company. I've been doing everything. So you gotta avoid these partners, because they will just not allow you to work with a comfortable or free mentality, or you will not enjoy working with these people. And then thanks for watching my video. I'll try to keep it even shorter than this next time, because the short videos are more enjoyable to watch, you know. Thank you. Please visit my website, econtu.com. I mean, there are a lot of things, a lot of interesting topics. Thanks again. Bye.